These raucous rock and roll rebels are living proof that this defiant style of music is a direct descendant of the blues. Their band's name even comes from a classic Muddy Waters song. And it's also an age-old adage in English. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Please allow me to introduce this group. They're a band of wealth and taste. We can get some satisfaction as we suss out the Stones on this week's episode of FYI. Welcome to For Your Info.
En inglés.
You got it.